It's been a very good experience. I'm very pleased. The roof looks wonderful. I'm just extremely pleased. My name is Audrey, and I'm from Tarboro, North Carolina. I went to one of my good friends for some insurance, and his name is Kelly, and he told me that Chris made the roof for him, put the roof on for him. So therefore I contacted Chris, and he came right over, no problem. And it went from there, and he came over. He was so nice and so kind and so reassuring about what he was doing. He was very professional, and he knew what he was doing, and I was very pleased with him. I believe it was on the 21st or 28th. It was in the March, and they started probably about 8 o'clock, and they took a break, about a little bit of a break, and then they came back and they finished up at 8 o'clock that night. It was just dark, but they were finished. I already recommend him to one of my good friends in Rocky Mount, and Chris has contacted them. I don't know what has transpired since then. And also I have another friend that lives in Tarboro, and she came over yesterday to get a picture of the sign in the yard so that she could contact him also. So it's been a very good experience. I'm very pleased. The roof looks wonderful. I'm just extremely pleased.